I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the TI-84 graphing calculator to find the determinant of a matrix. The first thing you have to do is enter your matrix in. I'll just use the same one from our last example where we know the determinant was 90. So I'm going to go to my matrix menu, and I'm going to go over to Edit, and I'm going to select Matrix A. In that last example, that was a 3 by 3 matrix, so I will change the dimension here to 3 by 3. And then I need to go ahead and enter in that matrix. I have it written down here in front of me, so I'll go ahead and type that in. The first row was 3, -2, and 5. The second row was 2, 0, and -3. And the third row was 1, 4, and 2. Now this works for any square matrix. I can find the determinant this way in the calculator with that. So I have my matrix entered in. Make sure you hit enter after that last value, or else it doesn't actually change that last value if you had something previously typed in there. A lot of times students will make a mistake there. Noticed that over the years. So we have this matrix typed in, and then we're going to go back here and go second and quit, get back to the home screen, make sure this is cleared so there's nothing going to get in our way there. And then to find the determinant of this matrix, we'll go back to our matrix screen, and we'll move over to math. And you can see the first choice on that menu right there, DET, is for determinant. So I'm going to go ahead and select that first choice. And then I want to go back and get matrix A. So I'm going to go back to my matrix screen. And then right there from the list of names, I'm going to choose matrix A. Go ahead and close that parenthesis there. And when I hit enter, it's going to go ahead and compute the determinant of matrix A, which we just did by hand using the first row, and then again by hand using the second row on another video. And we saw that that should be 90. So when I hit enter here, hopefully, fingers crossed that we get 90. Look at that, we got 90. So we did it correctly earlier as well. So that's how you use the TI-84 graphing calculator. The TI-83 will do that as well. Those are the ones that I'm familiar with to find the determinant of a matrix.